Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Shabana and I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So class, in the last video I have taught you the chapter number 11. Yes? So in the chapter number 11 we have read the story. We have read a story. So now today we are going to do gender nouns, that is in your chapter number 11. So this is our grammar topic, and first of all we will learn the meaning of gender. What is a gender? Gender tells us about a person or any living thing, that it is a boy, it is a masculine or feminine. Yes? So here is a picture of a boy and a girl. So boy and girl. Like you have a brother, yes, girls, you have a brother, yes, and brother is a boy. So when a word tells us about the person that it is a boy, it means his gender. It is his gender. So boy can be a brother, boy can be a father, boy can be a uncle, yes. And girl can be a sister, girl can be a daughter, girl can be a mother. Yes. So these words are telling us the masculine and feminine. Yes. These words are telling us that these persons are masculine or feminine. So when a word tells us that a person is masculine, is a male or is a female, it means it is telling her about the gender of that person or of that living thing. I have told you about two genders. First is male and second one is female, masculine and feminine. But class, all the naming words in English do not have genders, and these said to be neuters. These said to be neuters. So, refer to if any noun refers to masculine and feminine also. It is called common. It is called common. Like worker, yes, teacher, child. A child can be a male or a child can be a female. So, we can write in both of the column. We can write child in both of the column. So, this is our common noun. Okay. We can write child, worker, teacher, baby. Baby can be a male or female. Yes. So it is called common. So there are four genders in English. First thing, masculine means male, feminine means female, neuter, common. So masculine, feminine, neuter and common. So class, today we are going to do let's try 3 of chapter number 11, and in chapter number 11 let's try 3 we have to match the naming words with their correct gender. So let's start. Let's try 3. This is our let's try 3, and in let's try 3 we have to match the naming words with their correct gender. So class, I am going to write the correct female word of the male word. So these are the male naming words. Now I am going to write the feminine gender in front of each. So you can do like this, or you can match the masculine with the feminine. Okay, with their feminine. So dear. What is the correct feminine gender? What is the correct feminine female gender of dear? Doe. So the class, this one has been done for you already. So we will write doe. Next is bull. So class, the correct feminine gender of bull is cow. Class, you have to match the feminine gender with the correct masculine gender. Okay. Rooster, hen. The correct feminine naming word of rooster is hen. Master, mistress. Yes. Horse, mare. As you all know, queen. Yes. The correct feminine gender of king is queen. Okay. Prince, princess. Man, women. Yes. Now I am going to erase it, and the remaining part of let's try 3 I will write on the board. So class, deer, dog, bull, cow, rooster, hen, master, mistress, horse, mare, king, queen, prince, princess, man and women. The remaining part of let's try 3 from bridegroom. So class, do you know the feminine gender, the feminine naming word of bridegroom? Yes, it is bride. Yes. Bridegroom and bride. Bridegroom means dulha and bride means dulhan. So the next is Lord, and the feminine gender, feminine naming word of Lord is lady. Okay. Next is ram. So in the last chapter, chapter number 10, I have told you about the ram. The meaning of ram is the male sheep. We call male sheep ram. Okay. हम मेल शीप को रैम कहते हैं. So the feminine gender, feminine of ram is, the female of ram is, the female of ram is ewe. Okay. Next word is drone. So what is the meaning of drone? Yes, can you tell me? Do you know about it? Drone? Drone is a male honeybee. Okay? Drone is a male honeybee and the female of drone is bee. Okay class? Now the next word is pig. Yes class, the masculine is pig and the feminine of pig is sow. S-O-W. So, when a female pig has piglets, then it is called sow. So, pig and sow are the correct masculine and feminine. Now, mother, you all know. Mother is a girl and father the last is lion, and the feminine naming word, feminine gender of lion is lioness. So class, this is your let's try 3, and you can match the masculine with the feminine. And here I have done this exercise, done this let's try by writing the feminine in front of each. So you can match the words. Okay, you can match the masculine and feminine in your coursework. So class, bye bye. Take care of yourself.